Today we're going to figure out what's wrong with this BBE sonic stomp. First we need to obviously test it, of course. See what's going on with it. Okay, so it lights up. See what kind of sound it makes. Huh, that's not right. I bet it's probably the switch itself. So I've got my tester set to continuity here. And let's just take a good switch and see how this works. So the middle will make contact with one side. So right now, this whole middle row is making contact with the top. Well, at least their corresponding pins anyway. So for example, and I got no continuity here on the bottom, but press the switch. Now all the bottom ones make contact. So let's see how this one works. Okay. So now it's the bottom row. Turn it off. Top row is good. Try the bottom again. There we go. So it's really just this one contact. Now, is it a cold solder joint or is it a bad switch? It's the switch. It could be dirty on the inside. I mean, this thing is sealed, so I don't really know that it's worth it to get it apart. But you can. And do you see what I see on this switch? The side that I was saying wasn't touching right. Look at the contact here. It was not seated where it should have been. Now I just moved it and you can see how it's sitting further this way. Let's replace the switch. I'm just going through the steps. It's relatively simple. You have a wire coming from your input jack, the screen wire, going to this middle terminal. This yellow on the other middle terminal is going to your output. And then they just bridge these two wires together to go to your in and your out on your pedal here. As far as how the switch goes, this is a true bypass pedal, which is why I thought it was odd when I heard that it didn't work when it was off, because there is no real buffer or anything like that in here to possibly go bad. So now that we've got that wired back, if you check this out, no power supply connected. We can go to bypass mode. It's a pretty quick video. I don't know what else to do on this one, but sounds the way it should and it's working right. Alright, so let's do one more final test before we go. Everything's working great. Let's go ahead and make sure that it works with a battery too. Don't want to have done something stupid, send it back, and then have the customer be upset. Very good. Everything works works like it should, this repair is done. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.